can use the task recorder to create task guides to consume as a developer recording to test specific user actions within the user interface. To do this, I'm going to start by creating a task guide within the user interface. We're then going to switch over to our developer box using Visual Studio to then import our task guide and consume for testing. I'll start by creating my recording by clicking on the gear in the upper right corner and selecting Task Recorder. Here I'll select Create Recording. I'll give this a recording name and a description. Now I'll click Start. At this point, I'll then go through the steps that I am going to want to test within Visual Studio. I'll start by navigating to the module to get to All Customers and begin creating my test to create a new customer. You'll notice as you click through the application, the task recorder will record the steps for the process. Once you're done creating the task guide, you'll click Stop in the gray bar at the top of the screen. Now we'll want to save this as a developer recording. Now I'll click Save as a developer recording. As you can see, the file is downloaded as an XML file to my computer. I'll go ahead and save this file to my developer box if I'm not currently working in the developer box within the application. I'm now in the developer box and I have added the Create a Customer XML file to the desktop. I'll go ahead and open Visual Studio. Now I'll want to import this task guide as a developer recording. So I'll go to the extensions file. I'll then go to Dynamics 365 and select Add-ins. From here, I'll select Import Task Recording. I'll browse to the file and open. Next, I'll need to specify if I want to create a new project or add to the startup project that I'm working with. I'll next need to select the model I'm working within, and I'm going to select Test Essentials. You can also specify the company that you wish to test this in as well, and click Import. You'll then be prompted to create a new project, and I'll click Create. Now we have a new project, and we can see we're working within the Test Essentials model, and I now have a class that has been added to my project. I can go ahead and open up this class to view the code. Now, in order to run this test, I'll need to do that using the Test Explorer. I can open the Test Explorer by selecting Test in the menu and select Test Explorer. The Test Explorer will load and we can see that we have a test that has not been run. I can expand and adjust the windows as needed so I can see what I'd like to see. We can see here we have our class, we have our test, and we can go ahead and run this test and we can see the outcome.